This is a bomb escort game where one team has a bomb that needs to be planted in the white building on Main Street to win. The bomb carrier has 5 minutes to plant the bomb and has to walk and cannot use a rifle. Green team is starting with the bomb, and next round we will get the opportunity to plant it. I am using my KWA Chris Vector and Elite Force 1911. I hope you enjoy.
That shit's funny.
Go, 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 go! This way, 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 this way. Hello.
Oh wait, yes. What am I doing here?
I'm going this way. Move in! Move up! Hit, hit, good shot! Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Right in the front! Hit!
Now it's our turn to plant the bomb, and guess who has it? This guy.
Go! Go!
Go, 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 go. I feel so important right now. Yep. Whoop. You could be my escort. All right, come on. Excuse me, I've got a very important package. Excuse me, coming through. America!
That's the result you're gonna get.
Slay each other. Slay each other. Do this. Slay each other. Do this. Ah, get him! Wow. Insert epic music here. Oh, go! We got him! Whoa. Call your hits!
This is Milton at its finest.
Milsim!